Good morning children. This video is for class 3 students and the subject is computer. It is from chapter number 3 and part 9. Ninth video, that's why I have written here part 9. Today's date is 11th of July 2020. So today I am going to give you some extra question answer from this chapter number 3. As you remember that in last video we have just completed the exercise question answers. Now I am preparing some extra question answers which are from inside the chapter. So what you have to do, you just take out your computer copy, then start writing in your copy. First of all you write there today's date, then chapter number 3 and extra question answer. The first one I have written here. What are the extra question answers? First it is about step writing. Certain work which you have to perform in computer in MS Word, for those work you have to write here steps. Steps writing is there. The first one, to save the document. You have to write down the steps to save the document. What are the steps we have to follow to save the document in MS Word? So start writing it. First of all, write down here to save the document. Steps are, write with me, steps are, it is the answer. Click on file menu. Number 2, select the save as option. Save as option, then type the file name in save as dialog box. When you are clicking on this save as option, one dialog box is open and there file name you have to type there. Type the file name in save as. Dialog box, click on save button. Save button. First of all, click on the file menu, then click on the save as option, then type the file name in save as dialog box and click on save button. Now click on file menu, select the save as option, type the file name in save as dialog box, click on save button. The next one is, which I have prepared for you, that to open an existing file. For this you have to write the steps to open an existing file. The steps are, first one, what you have to do, first of all you have to open word processor, open MS Word, click on file menu, click on open. When you are clicking on this file menu, one menu box is going to be open. From there you have to select open. select your file. After clicking on this open, one dialog box is going to be open. You can see on your screen one dialog box, open dialog box is there. You have to select your file from open dialog box. Select your file from open dialog box and then click on open button. Okay, first one, you have to open your MS Word in your computer, then click on this file menu, then click on open, then select your file from the open dialog box and click on open button. Open in your whatever file you have selected, that file is going to be opened by following all these steps which I have written here. You have to follow all these steps to open the file. Now number 3, third one is to close we can say here I am going to give you to close MS Word. How we can close the MS Word? Steps are click on cross button. This cross button, click on cross button from the title bar. Your MS Word is going to be closed. The next one, to edit the document. For this you have to write down the steps are, what are the steps you have to follow to edit the document in MS Word? So first of all, you have to open the document. Open the document. I have already told you what are the steps you have to follow to open the document. After opening that one, update the content. Update the content means when you have open your document, you can see the type thing on your screen. If you want to add something there, you can do it. If you want to erase or delete something from there, then you can also do it, and this is called update the content. So open the document, then update the content, press Ctrl+S to save the document. So these are the steps you have to follow to edit the document. So these are the some extra question answers which you have to learn from inside the chapter. Once again I am repeating it. The first one I had given you, that it is to save the document. Steps are: click on file menu, select the save as option, type the file name in save as dialog box, click on save button. The next one is to open an existing file. Steps are: open MS Word, click on file menu, click on open, select your file from open dialog box, click on open button. The next one is number 3, to close MS Word. The steps are: click on cross button from the title bar. Your MS Word is going to be closed. The last one is to edit the document. Steps are: open the document, update the content, press Ctrl+S to save the document. So these are the question answers which you have to write it in your copy so that you can learn it for your exam. And that's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.